Hey guys, we are on day 3 of our vacation here in Punta Cana. We went to the gym, then we had an all-day beach day today. That was so relaxing.
Oh
right?
Man, it was like surreal just sitting on the beach and doing nothing. We had fun like filming content in between. You took a couple of naps.
I think I took like 10 micro naps throughout the 3 or 4 hours that we were
did.
just on the beach.
He did. And then they just like kept coming by with snacks or asked us if we wanted drinks and things like that. Our little section, the hideaway section, even on the beach, there's extra perks that you can get. There was like a little cute area set up, and that's just where the Diamond Club members can go. So it was just nice and serene and peaceful. So we definitely recommend the upgrade.
Yeah, and it was nice. There was plenty of chairs for beach access. They had kind of waiter service on the beach, so you could just order drinks and they will bring it to you while you're on the beach. As well. So that was really great.
Yeah. So it wasn't a very eventful day. We just kind of sat around, relaxed, which we really needed to do. But we're really looking forward to tonight. We actually booked a dinner on the beach. It was something that we actually did at our honeymoon 5 years ago. So we thought we have to do it again.
Yeah. So we're looking forward to sharing that with you guys. We have I have a surf and turf, and Mo has a surf and surf because
lobster and fish.
she doesn't eat beef, so has a lobster and fish, and I have a lobster and a steak. Yeah. And in addition to some appetizers and champagne. But we're gonna head there now, and then we'll make sure to show you guys the dinner and the scenery as well from that.
And I think the plan after is maybe to check out another show. We loved the show last night. It was kind of a circus type of show, and it was about an hour. And then we got some gelato as well, which was really nice.
All right, we are heading for our beach dinner. This is Alejandro. He helped set us up for us. So we're looking forward to a nice time there. All right, so we are at our table now.
Champagne.
We have the champagne here flowing.
The beach is right there.
We started off our evening with a Mama Juana. You want to explain what's Mama Juana?
It's called the Baby Baker in Dominican Republic, but it's rum, right? Or whiskey, soaked in all different types of spices.
I think the actual ingredients are a mystery to us all. But it is a local Dominican drink, and it kind of reminds me of licorice a little bit, but it's very strong and it's very nice, and so we've been really enjoying that, and so looking forward to our dinner. Welcome to our 4th day of vacation here in Punta Cana. We are heading to the Hyatt Hotel to kick off the wedding celebrations for Steph and Davy. They are 2 of Mo's friends from med school, and one of the main reasons we came to the Dominican Republic this time for our vacation. We are in the taxi, and as you can tell, Mo was a little bit upset with me for the way in which I made the reservations. She thought I was too much on island time myself. But anyways, we reached the hotel and we were able to get ready and attend the event just in time. Alright, we are now in Dreams, Macau. We've arrived here for Steph and Davey's wedding. We're looking forward to a great celebration. It's about just after 2. We had a nice lunch and the buffet, and we're gonna start getting ready for the wedding. Wedding starts at 4, so we're gonna get changed and then take some pictures and then head over to the venue. Alright, we made it to our friends Saul and Julia's condo here in the DR. Saul is over here. He's getting some work done. He's productive. The only productive member of the team on vacation. Mo and Julia are already in the pool. You guys want to wave? They're playing Jalebi Baby. We had some Mama Wana, and we're gonna get the night started. Buenos dias.
So we just got ready and we are heading to a boat today. Jit did a really good job setting it up and I'm so excited. My friends are also meeting us there. They're at a different resort, so the bus is picking them up right now. But yeah, we're gonna head over there and then it's gonna be like a day-long trip, so we're super excited.
All right, we're on the trolley. It is bumpy. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone down before it flies away.
That's a real question. No, we got the fish.
Go to my
ATM.
What are you doing?
Cheers.
Cheers.
We're having Italian dinner. Alright, we are in our last day here in Punta Cana. We have our flight in about 3 hours. We're having breakfast now. We got ordered some omelets, having some coffee. We had a nice spa session for some hydrotherapy, and now enjoying our time with breakfast on the beach. We've ordered some smoothies as well as the omelets, and Mo got a fresh plate of fresh fruits that we're gonna enjoy here.
I'm sad, it's our last day. Yeah, I got some, they didn't have mango today, but I got pineapple, watermelon, papaya, orange, and some veggies for my omelet.
So yep, here's a look at our view for this morning.
wanted to give you guys a quick room tour. I wish we did this at the beginning of our trip, but we forgot to. So this is you enter, and then you have a little closet here. Thought it was really cool that they gave a steamer, which worked out really well. They have a little safe in there. And then you walk out here, there's a little seating area. Our absolute favorite part was definitely the balcony. It was just so nice to sit outside here and eat breakfast sometimes. And then they also include like coffee and things like that, and they have 24-hour room service, some more drawers and shelves. I did wish they had a little bit more storage area, but it was fine. And then they have a mirror here. Jit is waiting for our person to come pick up the luggage right now, and also checking in. And then this is the shower and vanity area. The shower was also pretty nice and spacious, and all the other amenities were included too.
While we were in transit in JFK, we obviously had to check out the Amex Centurion Lounge that was there. While we were there, we were talking to some of the workers, and they asked us if we had seen the Speakeasy, and so of course we had to go discover the Speakeasy that's there and present in the JFK Amex Centurion Lounge. It was so awesome. It was like we were actually in a speakeasy type bar in the heart of New York City. We had some espresso martinis, and we're really just able to kick back, relax, enjoy a drink, and enjoy each other's company before our flight. So that's about it for this vlog. Thank you guys for tuning in and staying with our channel. We appreciate all of you guys watching.
Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight to Columbus, Ohio. Welcome aboard.
Cheers.